That's not fair to you.
Huh? I'm no match for you. Come on then, show me what you've got.
Thank you for saving me. And for saving this girl as well. Today you were my ally. I will find a way to repay the kindness you've shown.
That was nothing. You're not afraid of me?
You saved Yaya from that guy.
You were born to demonhood. Why not accept your destiny? Because it is not the boss of me. I'm the master of my destiny. I'll be the one who decides, and I will not be a demon.
Subscribe for more edits like this.